Hello friends, this is Muskan from Radical TechArt Solution Private Limited, and today we are going to talk about the on and off delay timer. So please watch this video till the end. Let's follow. So on delay timer is on delay means that once a timer has received a power on signal, its output will change state after a predetermined delay. We will configure this through our working setup. So here you can see one model of on delay timer with me. So here you can see the connections of this delay timer. Here I connect two bulbs for the operation of delay. You can see here the line and neutral I given here A1 and A2. All the details are mentioned in the model. So you can give the power supply as per this. Here the A1 is linked with the 15. You can see here the connections like this. Also, the red indicator is for the delay interval. When my delay is in delay period, is on, my red LED is on, and when the delay interval is off, the green LED will on. So now let's check the working of this delay timer. Here I set the time manually for 10 seconds. In this model you can set 0 to 60 seconds. You can see here. Here I set for 10 seconds. So here I give power supply and you can see the results. So the delay time period is on for 10 seconds. So you can see the results and the indications here. So I set the timer for 10 second delay. So here after 10 seconds this will off and this on. So you can see the clear result here. So moving along to the model of on delay timer, you can see the terminal diagram on this model here. Its usage and application is industrial purpose, and its display type is analog as you can see here, and mounting type is panel mounting timer. So timer type is also analog timer. Its material is ABS. You can see here with me. And as we have seen before, here its timing range is 0 to 60 seconds. You can see here on this model. And you can set this time through this, and you can choose here I choose 30 seconds. So like this you can change the time between 0 to 60 as per your requirements. So further we will talk about technical specifications and features of the delay timer. So switch type is remote controlled, display analog, mounting type panel mounting timer, timer type is analog as we have seen in our working video. Current rating in ampere is 7 ampere and the range of timer is 0 to 60 seconds. Power or voltage is 230 volt AC or 415 volt AC. Material is ABS. Timing range 0 to 60 seconds. Now you can see the terminal connection as we have seen in our working video. Its dimensions here. So now talking about its applications. Include burglar alarms, open door warnings, power supply sequencing, oven igniter controls, and fine controls. Also, the delay timer is used in PLC. So what is on delay timer in PLC? The timer will be on when a start input signal is received and when a preset timing is reached. The signal state of output change from 1 to 0. So these basic applications are here for delay timer. I hope you like this video.